gonna show you how to set the clock on an Infiniti. It's a G37x. It's a 2010. We got this for our son, so I'm gonna show you how to set the clock. First, what you wanna do is come over here where you see the clock, and then you wanna hit this button right here if you wanna go back. So you can hit it if you go 1 minute back. If you wanted to go fast, just hold the button in. You're gonna notice it's going counterclockwise, so it's setting the clock back. If you wanna go forward, you hit this button right here. You go 1 minute. Every time you punch it, 1 minute. If you want it to go fast, just push it and you hold it. As you can see, the clock is being set. So that's it. So this is an Infiniti. It's a 2010. It's a G37x. My son, he really liked this car, so he's heading back to PV, preview. So this is the car he's heading back in. And I'll make other videos on things to do with this car. All right, thank you and have a great day, and subscribe to my channel.